Hey guys, today we will see API testing of the validation part. Okay, so we are creating one of the API template here. Okay, and today we are using a different endpoint. Okay, so just let me add here. So this is the response. Okay, let me add here. Okay, yeah. So what we are trying to do here, this is one of the endpoint where we are asking comment of one, that means first comment information, which is part of the post one id. Okay, and this is the get API. Okay, so we are not doing anything here, we are still keep as a get method selected. Okay, and we don't require any header and other stuff. Okay, and we need to just verify is this endpoint is working fine or not. So I'm hitting this end button and I'm getting the response. Okay, this is the response. Okay, now let me add a description here for the information. Okay, so what we are trying to do, comment get comment. Okay, now I want to store hold the response in specific variable, so I'm adding get comment response RESP. Okay, that's fine. Now okay, so today we are seeing the validation part. Okay, so first we will see status part. Okay, so just example, this API will give us a 200. Okay, but my expectation is it should be 400, right? So what I will do, I will write here and create it, and let's see what will happen. Okay, so basically what we write here in this API give us a 200, but I am expecting 400. That means that step should be filled, right? Third step. Okay, so let's see what will happen. See, it got failed. That means we are right. Okay, but how I can see the result? Why it's failed, right? I know that's failed. It should be failed, but what is the more information? Where is that? Okay, so we are going here. You can see that test case got failed. Okay, so we can identify, okay, that test case failed, that means something got wrong in specific three of those steps, right? And once we go to the result, we can see failed step, that means it's directly telling me third steps got failed. Okay, that's perfectly fine. Okay, after that we are seeing actual results as a 200. What that mean? Actual result, that means that API, whatever the API we are testing as step 3, it's giving us a 200, and here we are expected result as a 400. What that mean? Expected result, that means what we are expecting. Do you remember during the API creation, right? As a third step we put as a 400, which our expectation, not a response from the API side. So this is the expectation we put it. So this is that automation is telling you put 400, API give us a 200, and we put a validation, right? So that validation got wrong, so that's the reason that that step got failed. Okay, and also we can cross verify from this network tab, right? From the terrace viewer you can come up and network tab and just see we add a 3 step as API testing, and we just want to see last one. So you can see this is the API response 200, right? Not a 400. Okay, see, this one is the API. Okay, status 200 and response body same. So this way you can verify whatever the response is right or wrong, or whatever you are expecting is getting correct or not. Okay, now back to the test case again, and we are doing something else. Okay, now I want to verify response body. Okay, so let's just check first. This is the response. Okay, and now I want to verify this email stuff. Okay, so how can I verify? So basically, do you remember we store all the information in this get comment response, right? So you just copy this one, okay, back to here, and you can see we are providing one of the response body tab, okay, and under this tab you can verify all the response, whatever the response you are getting from the API, okay. So I want to verify email. That means what? Here you should write some precondition, or I can say pre-string, okay. So whatever the response variable, okay, you store whole the response, okay, you just add there. After that, what you want to verify? Body, header, right? So you want verify from the body. That means you should put here as a body keyword, because you want to verify from the body, okay. And after this body, this is the object, okay. So I don't know you guys are aware about that as a JavaScript, but if you want to verify from the, if you want to access from the object any of the key, right, you can just write as a direct name with a dot, okay. So just example, I want to access email, so how can I do? Body dot email, that's it. That means my whole the section, or I can say that path is trigger here, okay. Now what I am expecting, same as the status, right? I should expect here something else, okay. So I am writing as a contacts@gmail.com, something like that, okay. And here we are providing your data types, different type of data types, but I want to just keep it as a string. And verification, what type of verification you want, okay, equal, not equal, different type of verification we are providing. So we will create a separate video for the all verification and data type combination, but yeah, for now we are keep it simple, okay. So I'm going to create and update, okay. Now let's run again, okay. So we are getting something error, right? That's third step, obviously, okay. So it got failed, okay, we are expected. Now back to the result. Here is the fourth, okay, correct. What we are seeing here, you can see it's indicating that you are still expected as a 400. So I should first remove that status response, right? So I'm going back, updating as a status, okay, okay. Now we are good, right? Now run it again, and let's see, it should fail third step again, and we will get more information as a email, right? Okay, yeah, that step got failed, okay. Click on the run history, fifth try run. See, it's a wonderful, right? Third step got failed. What actual that API responding? This email address, okay. And what we are expecting, this one, contacts@gmail.com. That's a wonderful thing, right? And this way you can directly identify what is the error, whatever the, I cannot say that API giving us the error, but you provide some validation part, some criteria, and if your API is not fulfilled, then directly it throw the error here, and you can just directly identify, okay, third step, what I am expecting, this one, and API gives this one. That means something goes change from the API response, and also we can verify from here as well, from the response body, right? So you can see here email this one, but we are expecting this one, okay. So yeah, this is for today, and yeah, we will meet in new video. Thank you.